My greetings, welcome back again. In today's mini grammar tutorial, we're going to discuss the future simple, and we're going to discuss the future simple with regard to two modal verbs, will or be going to. Now, as you can see, will is followed by the base form of the verb. Is, are, am, was, and were are all followed by the base form of the verb as well. Now, we're going to concentrate more on is, are, and am, although was and were are also used. Now, in order to understand the differences between the two modal verbs as a basic understanding, will is for indefinite actions. On the other hand, is, are, am going to plus base is for definite actions. Indefinite actions that you're not sure that you're going to do. There's a big chance that you might not do it or do them. So when you say, I will visit my friends tomorrow, there's a big chance that you might not visit them. Something might happen, or you haven't decided. You haven't even called them. You haven't made an appointment. It's not a planned activity. While if you say, I'm going to visit my friends tomorrow at 9:30, this is something definite. You have already called them, and you told them that you're coming over tomorrow at 9:30, and you told them that you and them are going to have breakfast somewhere outside, not indoors, outdoors. So, will plus base for indefinite actions, which you are not sure that you're going to do. For unplanned activities, is, are, am going to plus base is for definite actions that you are sure you are going to do, and they are for planned activities. Now, let's consider more examples. I feel sleepy, I will have a nap. This is something unplanned. You just felt sleepy. So you spontaneously and suddenly decided to have a nap. One day, people will live on the moon. This is something for the far future, not for the immediate future, and it's based on predictions which have to do with your personal belief. We're going to discuss this later. So all these are future simple with will. Now, if you say, I'm going to visit my friends tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., just like I told you, this is something what? This is something definite, planned. You are sure that you're going to do it. I bought 2 tickets. Why did you buy these 2 tickets? Because you say, I'm going to go to the match. Otherwise, why would you buy 2 tickets? He's driving too fast, or fast. Actually, you could say too fast. He's going to make an accident. This is called observation, predictions based on observations for the immediate present. Okay, now we're going to consider these two with more references, more discussions. Now, if you say will for immediate, instant, spontaneous, unplanned, and sudden decisions, like when you decide something at the time of speaking, when you are willing to do something, I feel sleepy. So spontaneously, you say, I will have a nap. So you took a sudden decision. I feel hungry. I will have a snack. Again, spontaneously, unplanned action. It's hot in here. So your sudden decision would be, I will open the window. Someone is at the door. You can't keep him waiting at the door. So you say, I will see who it is. Secondly, we use will for predictions about the far future, which are supported by evidence, which are not supported actually by evidence, and based on your personal belief. So this is my own personal belief. One day people will live on the moon. Someone might say, well, I don't approve that. It's up to you. But this is my own personal belief, and it's for the far future. Experts say that electric cars will replace petrol gasoline powered cars. That's my personal belief. Maybe no, maybe yes. One day people will own at least 2 computers in each home, even in remote areas, far areas. Again, this is a prediction based on my own evidence and my own personal belief. Finally, actually we still have 3 more. When you ask people to do something for you, will you help me with my math or English test? Will you buy me some ice cream, please? Will you help me with my bags or the bags? Will you post this letter for me? All these are what you are asking people to do something to help you with doing something. Moreover, for promising and offering to do something. So if you heard someone asking for help, you offer to do something. I will buy you the bag on my way back home. I will, okay? I'm leaving in 10 minutes. I will get you some ice cream. I'm coming home in half an hour. I will buy you some food. Again, all these that you are offering and you are promising to do something. Finally, using will with certain expressions and verbs. Like we say, I think, I don't think, I'm sure, I expect, or the word probable. I think I will stay home and watch TV. Yani you decided not to go out. I am sure I will pass by tonight. I don't think I will go anywhere tonight. And finally, it's possible that he will go with us tonight. Now, someone might say, why not be going to here? Yes, you could say be going to, but sure. Basically, even though that you are sure, but something might happen. Something might happen and you will not pass by tonight. Now, what about going to? First of all, going to is used to refer to actions that you have already decided to do. It's a planned activity, it's a prior plan. Like I told you before, you bought 2 tickets, and why did you buy these tickets? You say, I'm going to go to the match. You bought 2 gallons of white paint. Why did you do that? Because he actually is going to paint the walls of his home or house. My friends are going to visit our sick friends tomorrow at 5:30. They have already called him and they told him of their intention to come and visit him. Maybe he would say no, but actually in this case, yes. I'm going to invite some workmates to my house on Sunday at 8:30. I've already called them. I have made a planned activity. I bought some food and snacks and drinks and everything. So going to. More. If you are talking about predictions about the immediate present, close, which are supported by evidence and have to do with observation. He's driving, look at this one. He's driving, if you remember, too fast we said, huh? Driving too fast. So this is observation. So you predict he's going to make an accident. They are eating too much. So you predict they are going to have indigestion. This is observation. It's thundering. It's going to rain. You predict that it's going to rain. Used for both the present and the past. Now he's driving too fast, he's going to make an accident. Or you could refer to something that happened in the past. He was driving fast, he was going to make an accident. You could use be going to with all pronouns and nouns. Like when you say, Salim is driving fast, he is going to make an accident. She is going to make an accident. They are going to make an accident. Now let's look at the examples and the exercise, and all that I need you to do is study each sentence and decide if the action in that sentence is definite or indefinite. Definite or indefinite, as easy as that, no more than that. Okay, now, shall we begin? Because if it was definite, you're going to use going to, and if it is indefinite, you're going to use will. Are you busy on Monday? Yes, definite. I'm going to meet my cousins at the park. You've already called your cousins. The young man is eating too much. Observation, definite. He's going to have a stomach pain. The old man feels very sleepy. Sudden decision. He will have a nap. It's very cloudy. It is going to rain. This is a prediction, by the way, based on observation. What's all this paint for? I'm going to paint my room. So again, it's based on, you know what, like prediction, but again, observation and prediction. Will you help me with my maths homework? Asking people to help you. Look, observation. The train is going to leave the platform. I buy a new computer tomorrow. I have saved enough money. That's based on planned activity. I'm going to, like I am, sorry, not are. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy a new computer. Layla have a baby very soon. You know, she's pregnant. So what do you say? She is in her 9th month of pregnancy. She's going to have a baby. And finally, Ryan throw a graduation party next week on Sunday at 7:30. Okay, planned. So you say what is going to. Thank you for being with me today. Our next tutorial is going to be about complex sentences, using the present simple and the future simple in one complex sentence. Thank you very much.